are now live from College Professional Mara Bandar Melaka. This is Campus Insight. So today, we bring you exclusive coverage on spending patterns of our college students. Are you overspending without realizing? Let's find out now.
Assalamualaikum and welcome to KPMBM Insight. I'm Shakira, reporting the latest scoop on student financial behavior. Our team from class DHI-2B has conducted a statistical analysis involving 40 students to investigate their monthly expenditure habits. The goal to uncover financial challenge faced by students and provide data-driven recommendations. Let's take a closer look at our objective.
Find out now. Next, we zoom into the quantitative side, focusing on miscellaneous expenses, using group frequency tables, histograms, frequency polygons, and ogives. We discovered a wide range in student spending.
Okay, now, I would like to share what method that we use for this research. To ensure accuracy and fairness, we have used simple random sampling for this research. By using random table number, we can eliminate bias and give every student in this campus an equal chance to be picked for this research. Here is the example of the random table number that we have used for this research.
Let's first look at qualitative data. Based on pie chart and bar graph, the highest number of students came from DAE program with 70 participants, followed by D with 50, and finally DHI with 8 students. This gives us broad perspective on which program dominate the data and ensure all representative of group.
Based on our data we compiled, most students spend between a range of 180 to 200 ringgit in miscellaneous expenses, which includes items of like personal care, subscriptions, and also unexpected costs. And here is an example of the graph based on our data.
Yeah.
So here is our histogram that we have collected from the data based on our data, and we can see that the range of 180 to 200 is the highest with the frequency of 8, and 120 to 140 is the lowest with the frequency of 2. And for our frequency polygon for the miscellaneous is the highest being 180 to 200 miscellaneous with the midpoint of 190 and the frequency of 8. And also the lowest would be 120 to 140 with a midpoint of 130 with a frequency of 2. And lastly, for ogive, we can look at the miscellaneous ranging for 60 to 80 with an upper boundary of 80 with a frequency of 7 and a cumulative frequency of 7. And the highest miscellaneous is the range of 180 to 200 with an upper boundary of 200 and a frequency of 8 and a cumulative frequency of 40. And that is all from me. On to the next section.
Okay, now let's look at key statistical value. There is mean with 128 ringgit, followed by median with 120 ringgit, and lastly mode with 155 and 11 sen. This figure reveals that the data is right skewed, meaning most students spend slightly below the average, with a few spending more in miscellaneous category. Thank you.
Okay, now let's talk about the variation and the skewness. First of all, our research shows that the standard deviation is RM 326.51 cents. This means student spending varies widely. Next, the Pearson skewness of coefficient is calculated as 0.07 and confirming as a positive skew data. Last but not least, our coefficient of variation is 2.55%. This means the data is stable and no variable, and it means the student practice a good budgeting in their spending in the campus.
My name is Shakira. Currently, we are at Asrama Kesidang and we will interview one of our DHI students. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Amal and I'm a student DHI semester 5.
Okay, Amal, if you don't mind, could you please tell us how much do you spend for this month and what the most expensive item that you buy this month?
I usually spend this time expenses. This month expenses is 200 ringgit, and I think the expenses item I currently buy in this month is my headphone.
I see. Okay, thank you, Amal.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. That's all for
Okay,
me.
with me Shakira, and for now, I'm with one of our DIF students.
Hi, I'm Nuri, DIF semester 4.
Okay, Noreen, if you don't mind, could you please tell us how much do you spend for this month and what your latest purchase?
My budget for this month is 400 ringgit, and my latest purchase is my skincare.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Noreen.
Hi, it's me again for the last one, and now I'm with the AE students.
Hi, my name is Shasha. I'm from the E student semester 3.
Okay, Shasha, if you don't mind, could you please tell us how much you spend for this month and what your latest purchase?
Okay, I spend my money around 500, and my latest purchase is Nike shoes.
Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, thank you, Shasha. And that's all for our interview. Thank you.
So, in conclusion, our finding shows that students spend differently on miscellaneous stuff. Often on the things they didn't even plan for. That's why it is super important for students to learn how to budget and manage their money better. So, this is our recommendation for students that struggle with financial problem. There is three main actions. Number one, financial literacy program. This program will teach students how to budget their money. Number two, awareness. Number two, emergency funds, which is to help students with urgent needs. Number three, spending awareness campaign, which is will help students and teach students how to manage their money better. These steps will help students feel better and stay focused on their study instead of their financial problems.
That's all from us at Campus Insights. Special thanks to Ms. Norizawati and the Business Statistics team. I'm Muhammad Tariq, signing off. Till next time, and remember, budget smart and live smarter.